Over time, I realized that berries and smoothies help me work a little bit better, and that getting a good start of the day makes the most of the day pleasant. Here's one such recipe that you would want to save. A revitalizing mulberry galaxy smoothie bowl that would help you feel more upbeat again. You can drink it after your vigorous morning run or workout because it is so energetic. Don't pass up on this one because it tastes great and is light on the stomach. I'm so eager to start my morning with my favorite vibrant smoothie. Are you too? This fruit has a blackberry-like appearance. It is incredibly juicy, delicious, sweet, sour, and leaves stains on your hands and clothes. When mulberries easily fall off the tree, they are ripe. They should be slightly firm, deeply colored, and fragrant. They should be chilled as soon as possible because of their fragility. They can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 2 days and in the freezer for up to 6 months. Mulberries are sweet Indian berries that are only accessible twice a year for a brief time in March through May and then October through November. And that's why I like to freeze some fresh packs for my smoothies during the off season. So, are you ready for the Galaxy smoothie? Let's move on to the recipe of this revitalizing mulberry galaxy smoothie. You will need half cup frozen mulberries, 1 cup frozen banana, 1 cup coconut milk, and desiccated coconut for topping. The mulberries have several advantages for your body and health in addition to having the most stunning burgundy hue of all. Iron, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, calcium, and many other nutrients are all found in abundance in mulberries. They also include a sizable amount of dietary fiber in addition to a variety of organic compounds. These burgundy berries have a wealth of nutritional benefits that make them excellent for boosting antioxidant levels as well as digestive and immune system health. I always make sure that I'm taking a fully ripe banana so that I don't have to add any other sweeteners. And this frozen banana also creates a thick creamy texture. And it's yummy too, but if you want, you can always add sweeteners of your choice. Let's start with the serving part. Tasting these smoothies is my favorite part. Yummy! You should try this. Thank you for watching this video. Stay on with me because I'm looking for more berry recipes. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications directly to you. See you in the next video. Eat clean.